In this video, we'll be telling about how to switch off latest Apple iPhones. Before it was very simple, just click on power button and your phone will be switched off. But in latest iPhones, it is not like that. From iPhone 11 onwards, this has been changed. To switch off Apple iPhone, first method is go to settings. After going to settings, you can see one option general, click on general. After clicking on that, scroll down. When you are scrolling down, you can see one option shutdown. Click on this option and your phone will be turned off. And the next method is that click on this power button and volume down button same time. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Here you can see slide to power off. To turn off, what you need to do is you need to slide this power button from here to here. When you are doing that, your iPhone will be turned off. And again, to turn on your iPhone, you don't need to press these two buttons at the same time. To turn on, what you need to do is just click on this power button, and when you are clicking on that, your phone will be turned on. Now here you can see Apple logo. Now phone has been turned on. So this way you can easily turn on or turn off Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.